Birds are one of the most fascinating groups of animals on our planet. They belong to a class of vertebrates that have conquered the skies through remarkable evolutionary adaptations. With over 10,000 species distributed across every continent, birds display incredible diversity in size, color, behavior, and habitat. From the tiny hummingbird to the massive ostrich, these feathered creatures have captivated human imagination for millennia. Birds possess 4 key characteristics that distinguish them from all other animals. First, they have feathers, which are unique structures made of keratin, the same protein found in our hair and nails. Second, they have hollow bones, creating a lightweight skeletal system that makes flight possible. Third, birds are warm-blooded, meaning they can maintain a constant body temperature regardless of their environment. Finally, all birds lay eggs with hard shells that contain a nutrient-rich yolk to nourish the developing embryo. Feathers serve multiple critical functions for birds. For flight, contour and flight feathers provide the lift and control necessary to soar through the air. These feathers have a special structure with interlocking barbs that create a smooth, aerodynamic surface. For insulation, down feathers trap pockets of air close to the body, helping birds regulate their temperature in both cold and hot environments. Additionally, colorful feathers play an important role in display, allowing birds to attract mates and communicate with other members of their species. Birds have evolved several remarkable adaptations that enable flight. Their pneumatic bones are filled with air spaces rather than marrow, dramatically reducing body weight while maintaining structural strength. Powerful pectoral muscles, which can make up 30% of a bird's body weight, provide the force needed to power wing movement during flight. Perhaps most unique is their respiratory system, which includes air sacs that allow for a continuous flow of oxygen through the lungs, providing the high energy demands required for sustained flight. Birds maintain one of the highest body temperatures among all animals, typically ranging from 40 to 42 degrees Celsius or 104 to 108 degrees Fahrenheit. This warm-blooded nature, also called endothermy, requires a high metabolic rate. Birds must consume large amounts of food relative to their body size to fuel this rapid energy consumption. This high metabolism allows them to remain active in various climates and enables the sustained muscular activity necessary for flight. Bird beaks have evolved into specialized tools perfectly suited to their feeding habits. Raptors like eagles and hawks possess hooked beaks with sharp edges that allow them to tear meat from their prey efficiently. Waterfowl such as ducks have filter beaks equipped with comb-like structures called lamellae that strain food particles from water. Seed-eating birds like finches have developed strong, conical beaks capable of crushing hard seeds to access the nutritious contents inside. Each beak shape represents millions of years of evolutionary refinement. Bird reproduction involves several distinctive stages. Birds lay hard-shelled eggs composed primarily of calcium carbonate, which protects the developing embryo while allowing gas exchange. Most species build nests from materials like twigs, grass, mud, and feathers, creating safe spaces for their eggs. During incubation, parent birds sit on the eggs to maintain the optimal temperature needed for development, which typically lasts from 10 days to several weeks depending on the species. After hatching, many bird species provide extensive parental care, feeding and protecting their young until they can survive independently. Many bird species undertake remarkable seasonal migrations, traveling between breeding grounds and wintering areas to take advantage of food availability and favorable climate conditions. Birds navigate these journeys using multiple methods, including detecting Earth's magnetic field, observing star patterns at night, and recognizing geographical landmarks. Some species travel astonishing distances during migration. The Arctic tern, for example, flies approximately 40,000 kilometers annually between the Arctic and Antarctic, making it one of nature's greatest travelers. Birds are classified into numerous groups based on their characteristics and behaviors. Passerines, or perching birds, represent more than half of all bird species and have specialized feet with 3 toes pointing forward and 1 backward for gripping branches. Raptors are birds of prey equipped with sharp talons and keen eyesight for hunting. Waterfowl are aquatic birds with webbed feet adapted for swimming. Flightless birds like penguins, ostriches, and emus have evolved for terrestrial or aquatic life, trading the ability to fly for other survival advantages. Let us review the essential concepts about birds. First, birds are warm-blooded vertebrates uniquely characterized by their feathers. Second, most species possess specialized adaptations such as hollow bones, powerful flight muscles, and efficient respiratory systems that enable flight. Third, the diverse shapes of bird beaks directly reflect their varied feeding strategies and ecological niches. Finally, birds exhibit complex behaviors including long-distance migration, guided by sophisticated navigation methods and extensive parental care that ensures the survival of their offspring. These remarkable creatures continue to inspire and amaze us with their incredible adaptations and behaviors.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.